Hello, thank you for stopping by. Today we got something a little different. Wanted to show you some of the other food storage stuff that we have. And I know you've seen us do a lot of the Mountain House reviews. Today we're going to be doing a review on a Augason Farms product. Are you hiding from the camera?
No, I was being weird and reading.
Don't pull the labels off.
I'm smoothing it down. It has air bubbles in it, Grandpa.
Okay. Anyway, what I do is every once in a while, when and if I have a little extra cash, I pick up one of these containers. Now this big one here, this is just oatmeal. And we'll be right back because I gotta change the battery in the camera. Anyway, battery's back, new battery in. What I was going to say is every once in a while when I find myself with a little extra cash, which isn't very often. Are you going to be looking at the camera or are you going to...
No, I was fixing my microphone.
Oh, why was it broken?
No, I moved it up a little.
Anyway, give us a minute. We're going to pull these all off the table. We're going to pick this one, pull a product out of it, and we'll be cooking it up and giving it a try here in just a minute.
Hold on, let me explain something. These ones, they have to be cooked on the stove. You can't just add water to them. I thought I'd make that clear just so we don't confuse anyone.
What do you got there?
This is the emergency 72-hour food supply kit because Grandpa wouldn't let me call it anything else.
And who's it by?
Augason Farms.
Augason Farms.
You leave my weird pronunciations alone.
Can you pull that off? Whoa!
That's for cheating in Uno.
Cheating in Uno? Why? Because you lost big time?
No, you kept placing draw twos and draw fours. Eek!
Can you get? Oh, don't use your teeth. Oh gosh.
It worked. I'll hit you with the next one.
Okay, now see if you can open that. Like I said, all right. Pull one package out at a time. Let's see what we got in here.
Honey granolas.
Honey granola.
Or something like that. I can't really read.
I'm trying to read how many servings this has in it.
Anywho, we have the hearty vegetables chicken flavored soup mix.
This says 54 servings. I'm sorry, I don't see 54 servings in this.
This is the one we're going to be trying, creamy potato soup.
And the hearty vegetable chicken flavored soup, 8 servings. I don't want to read this crap. I'm
just letting you say it. And then...
I'll tell our viewers. Due to high demand during the COVID-19... Do I need to say any more?
Creamy chicken flavored rice.
Now, this has to be a typo on here because I cannot see this little package having 54 servings of anything. Does it say on there how many servings this is supposed to be?
Which one?
The honey granola, or granule, oh, honey granules.
Shh.
Oh. I thought you said granola.
I don't know what I said.
Why do you have honey granules? What do you use that for?
Oatmeal?
Maybe.
The oatmeal is brown sugar maple. Oh, banana chips? There were supposed to be banana chips in here. Maybe they mixed it up?
They must have. Because there ain't no banana chips here.
Yeah, there ain't. I'm pretty sure that's what it was supposed to be. Banana chips, but instead they packaged that.
Honey granules. Powdered honey. And they
mixed it up.
They messed
with
up and didn't give us our banana chips. Damn, that kind of sounds like somebody else I know. I'll put a link up here. You can check that out. Okay, we're gonna try the, what was it? Creamy potato?
Creamy potato. Yep.
Okay.
It has 220 servings. 8 total fats. 8 grams saturated fat. 4 grams trans fat. 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 630 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 33 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Total sugars, 2 grams. Added sugars, 1 gram. Protein, 4 grams.
Okay. Well, we got powdered honey.
Why? I'm just saying, I feel like we should add this to like the maple and brown sugar.
Well, maple and brown sugar, that's probably sweet enough as it is, though.
You never can have too much sweetness in your life.
What we could do, though, is I got a bunch of tea bags. I can seal some up in vacuum seal bag and put it in here. And that way, if you make tea, you can have honey to go in it.
That would be great. Which one is that? The maple and brown sugar.
What are you doing? Don't do that.
You have to. That's how it came in here.
Oh, gosh.
How do you think it came in here, sir? Well, it came in cramped.
All right, let's see. Directions. Remove oxygen absorber and discard. Whisk entire contents of pouch into 8 cups boiling water. Reduce heat to medium and continue cooking for 10 to 15 minutes.
Now, who's going to be at the stove for this long?
You're the one that picked this package out.
Okay, I'm fine with that. No complaint.
We're not going to show the whole process. Everybody knows how to boil water and whisk something in there. We will give you a look in it when we put this in there and start it cooking.
Dip on opening it.
And then we'll be back here to show you what it looks like, taste it, and let you know what we think about it. All right, well, we're in the kitchen here, and she's going to start adding the soup mix. What we did was we cut the batch in half. You can go ahead and mix it in there. We mixed the batch in half.
Oh, crud.
Since there's only us two and we didn't want to have to cook all that soup. Might as well pour the rest of it in.
It was an accident. Crud.
Okay, that's good. Start stirring.
It smells good. I like the smell.
Anyway, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. My kitchen does not have the best lighting.
I know what I'm doing. I've cooked. I'm a great cook, actually.
Okay, now what we have to do is turn the heat down on this. And just keep stirring until it thickens up. It's set for 10 to 15 minutes.
All right. It is time.
We're going to dish this up in the kitchen here.
Because we don't want to risk spilling it. I'd be best to film it over here. I don't trust myself. Next. Heck, we might have made too much.
And I'll show you what I did with the leftover that was in the... Oh, don't go too high.
I won't. Alright, we had a little too much.
Okay, well, we'll get you back in the studio. Where's my hat?
I'm pretty sure it's
It's
somewhere.
up there.
Oh well, you can film it.
Oh, go grab my hat for me.
You do it. Sure, but what do I get after the recording?
Soup. All right. Well, we're back. I hope that footage comes out from in the kitchen. I have a small kitchen, and there's not enough room to take the studio lights in there. What we did was we weighed it out and took half of it, cooked it up, put the other half back in the bag. Then I put a fresh 300cc oxygen absorber in here and vacuum sealed it. So this is good to go for a couple more years. Anyway, and here's a picture of what this looks like dished up in the bowl.
It smells amazing.
Yes, I was just going to say, I can tell you that the house smells really good.
Why do I smell French onion dip when I smell this?
That's what it smells like, huh?
It looks like gravy when we were cooking it.
That's because the lighting in there is bad. Hot.
Pip top? Oh, you got one. You're prepared. Ha!
It looks good. Smells amazing.
To me, it kind of tastes like French onion dip.
Potatoes are nice and soft. Not mushy though. It does. It has a smell like French onion dip.
I think I'm kind of happy that I picked this. And yes, I did pick it. He usually lets me pick most of them. Ha!
Now I know you probably wouldn't like it. But I think would go good in this. Is if you had a
Hot sauce?
no, if you had a can of minced clams. You like clam chowder?
No! You've seen me. You buy clam
Oh,
chowder.
that's right. So you would like probably a can of minced clams in this.
It probably tastes good.
Well, I guess this was a good time for the battery in the microphone receiver to go dead. I gotta talk to her about playing with that microphone too. Anyway, we both enjoyed it. It was pretty good, nice and creamy. Tasted really good. We both gave it 2 thumbs up. So thank you for stopping by, watching. Have a great day, and stay prepared.